Knowing exactly what your inventory is worth, right now or at the end of last quarter, keeps your books honest and your taxes painless. Ardent Seller gives you that number in a couple of clicks, broken down by category and location. Let's pull one together. In the sidebar, open the Measure section. There's one link in there, All Reports, and that opens the Reports hub. 41 reports are waiting here, grouped by the question you're actually asking, so you can browse down to inventory and materials or just type valuation into the search box at the top. Click Inventory Valuation. Give it a moment to pull your numbers together, and the report opens with the current month already selected and every location included by default. That panel up top, Understanding this report, is a plain English explainer for whichever report you're on. Across the top, you'll find the filters. The first one is the period. The defaults cover this month, this quarter, last quarter, this year, and last year. If you need something more specific, like a single week, choose Custom Range and pick your start and end dates. For this walkthrough, let's take a look at last quarter. Next to the period, you've got the Locations filter. Click it, and you'll see every location on your account: the workshop, the farmer's market booth, the storage unit. Uncheck anything you want to leave out, you'll notice the count update right away. Or use Select All in Clear at the top to jump between the two. We'll keep all locations checked, so the numbers cover the whole business. Then close the popover back up. Now, look at the body of the report. Items are grouped by category: raw materials, packaging, finished goods, equipment, and so on. Each row shows the beginning quantity and value, the ending quantity and value, and how much that item moved over the period. Every category has a subtotal, and at the very bottom you'll find the overall totals: your beginning value, your ending value, and the net change. That last number tells you at a glance whether your inventory grew or shrank this period. When you're ready to share the report, say with your accountant, scroll back up and click the Actions menu on the right. You've got three options: export to CSV for spreadsheets, download a formatted PDF, or print it directly. Let's grab the CSV. It downloads instantly with every line item ready to drop into Excel or Google Sheets. And that's your inventory valuation, cleanly broken out by category, location, and period, with a one-click export when you need it. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more Ardent Seller tutorials. Head over to ardentseller.app to try it free.